I can say now I had many opportunities in Europe, many clubs in Brazil, in Australia, US, even in Portugal. Many clubs tried to sign me, but I give the word to this club for the opportunity to develop not only the football but the other part of this amazing country. And for me it's a good challenge. I know what I want and I know of course what I don't want as well. So for me it's a good chance to change, to help with my knowledge and my experience, to help to grow many important points. Also a women's that many people probably they don't know, but Al-Nassr they have a women's football as well. And I want to give a different vision of the country, of the football, the perspective of everybody. So this is why I had and I took this opportunity.